Darling, your love is the compass that guides me through life's journey, leading me to the source of internal happiness. With you, every step feels like and dance, every moment a celebration of our deep and enduring love. In your embrace, I have found sanctuary, a place where time stands still, our hearts beat as one. Your love is the melody that lulls me to sleep, and the sunrise that greets me with hope each morning. My love for you is like a river flowing endlessly and unconditionally. With every ripple, I am reminded of the depth of our connection, the strength of our bond, are the anchor that keeps me grounded in the sea of love. With you, I have discovered the true meaning of passion, of desire burning bright like a flame in the night. Your love is the fire that keeps me warm on the coldest of nights, the light that guides me through the darkest of days. Your laughter is the sweetest melody to my ears, a symphony of joy that brightens even the dullest of days. With you, every moment is filled with laughter and love, and I would not trade it off everything in the world. Your eyes, I see a reflection of my soul, a love so deep and profound it takes my breath away. With you, I have found it, my soulmate, my partner in crime, and promise to love you faithfully and endlessly, now and forever. Darling, your love is like garden in bloom, each petal testament to the beauty of our romance. With every whisper of the wind and every ray of sunshine. I am reminded of the love that belongs between us, growing stronger with each passing day with you. I have learned that love is not just a feeling but a journey filled with ups and downs, laughter and tears. Your love is my constant companion, my guiding light, and I am forever grateful for the romance we share. My love for you known no bounds, reaching beyond and spanning across the galaxies. With you, I have found my forever, my happily ever after, and I promise to cherish and adore you for all the eternity in your arms. I have found my paradise, a place where love known no limits and passion knows no bounds. Your love is my safe haven, my refuge from the storms of life, and I am forever grateful for the romance we share. We share.